how to skate like a professional figure skater. Come on, let's go. Wow, we're inside the ice rink. Oh, look, there's a door over here. And when there's through this door. It's another ice rink. Before you can skate, I have to do a warm-up. It's the most important part of skating so you don't get injured. So I will show you my warm-up. We're gonna start by running up these stairs. Run, 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 run. I'm super warm already from that. Now I'm gonna do my jumping jacks. Okay, good. Stretch to one side. Stretch to the other side. I'm finished my warm-up and I'm ready to go skate. Let's go. Wow, I see the ice rink. I see the ice. It's the ice. Hurry up. Okay, now it's time for me to get my skates on. I have invisible skates. They're special pre-order, see? You can't even see them, so I'll be super fast. Because my skates are invisible, you can watch the human tiger skates. Time to go in the ice. Look, friends, I'm finally on the ice. Oh, bird, the ice is really cold. Really cold on my little beanbag bottom. Let's see if I can make a snowball. Now we're gonna take my snowball and throw it at an unsuspecting victim. Oh, he sees me. I'm supposed to be unsuspected. I hit him with my snowball. Sucker. Let's go skating. Oh, it's harder than I thought. Let's try again. No! Maybe I need a coach. Hello, skating person.
Oh, hello.
Could you please teach me how to skate?
Sure, why not? I'll be your coach.
Yay!
Okay, let's go. The first lesson we're gonna do is how to glide on your 2 feet.
Okay.
So, can you show me how you can skate already?
Sure. Oh.
It was pretty good.
It's garbage.
But now we're gonna try to bend your, I was gonna say knees, but how about your little beanbag body?
That makes sense.
And let's see if we can get a little bit more glide and not be so hoppy.
Like a bunny.
Okay, let's go.
Wow! Look, I'm doing it! I'm doing it! This is so much easier! Wow!
That was so much better. Perfect.
I know.
Okay, so now,
That's what I think professional skaters do. Something that's actually hard.
how about a spin? Why don't you show me your spins? Can you do a spin?
Oh, please, that's so easy. I'll show you right now. So, it just occurred to me that I don't actually know how to spin. So can you show me and I'll copy exactly what you do?
Sure.
Okay.
Your turn.
Wow, look at me! I'm spinning! I'm spinning! Wow! Oh gosh, I'm gonna barf. Oh no! Let's do it again. Whee! Let's do it again! Okay, how about jumps? Can I learn how to jump? I want to learn how to jump.
How about I teach you how to do an axle?
That sounds super easy.
Okay, so I'll show you and you can copy along.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
You try, Kiwi.
That looks super easy. I could totally do that. Watch, I'm gonna go do an axle. Ready? Whee! Oh no, that's harder than I thought.
Hey, Kiwi.
Yeah?
Do you want to try some pair skating?
What's that?
It's when we skate together.
But I'm so much better than you.
I know, but you know what? We can do some cool tricks together. It'll look really cool.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, let's go. Come on.
Look at me skating around. I'm a professional. I can win the Olympics. Want to see a double axle? I'm a professional. I can do that. Whee! Oh, thank you. Look at that. I stuck the perfect landing. Look at all those losers who can't skate as good as me. How about I coach her? That'll be fun. Because I'm such a professional, I will coach her. Zach, you're spinning way too slow. Gross. Okay, what the heck was that? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Okay, don't get mad. I'll do it again.
Yeah, you better do it again. This is pathetic. That was still bad. That was terrible.
I thought it was pretty good.
What you got wrong? That's wrong. Stop. No, it's awful. Oh, I knew that would happen. Why don't you listen to me?
Okay, so do it again.
What do you think, dummy? Okay, what the heck? She looked like she was gonna fall forward and then she didn't. You know what? That's nothing to be proud of, buddy. No! Stop!
What do you think, Coach?
You fell on your butt. You really need to ask me that?
So, what'd you think of that one, Coach? Was it better?
Considering you fell on your butt, it sucked.
You're so mean.
I'm not mean, just honest. You're just really, really bad at skating.
Okay, should I do it again?
It's not gonna make a difference. You suck. Do they have food here?
I think there is over there.
Oh, if there's food, I'm out of here. I'm starving.
That's it? You're just done like that?
When food calls, you have to answer.
Okay, well, nice working with you. Bye.
Bye. But you know how to skate better. Yum, 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 yum. Eating is so much better than skating. Yum, 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 yum. Yum.
There you are, Kiwi. Knew I'd find you by the food. You need to stretch so you don't get injured. Professional skaters stretch before they leave.
Person
Come on,
is so
read after.
annoying.
Let's go. First stretch we're gonna do is up on the wall, just like this. Good job, Kiwi. You're very flexible.
Hey, told you, I'm a professional.
Okay, now we're gonna do our side stretch. Stretch up to the side, just like this. Okay, now your turn, Kiwi.
Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch.
Don't forget the other side.
Ugh, man. Stretch again, stretch again. Oh, this is such hard work. I'd rather just be eating. These are all my trophies because I'm the best skater that ever existed in the whole entire world. Yay, Kiwi. So much candy, so little quarters. Let's go ask my human if I can have some candy now. Hey, Andrew.
Hi.
Can I have some candy?
You worked hard today, so sure.
Oh, yay! Here, I want it all. I want one of everything.
You can only pick one.
Or like 10 of everything, sorry.
Well, I can't give you 10 of everything because it's only a quarter in the machine, so.
Oh, get more quarters.
You gotta, I don't have more quarters. You gotta
Well, get them.
pick one machine.
It is such a hard decision.
Those are $1. I can't do those ones. Just
Well, they're not even candy. I don't want them. They're stupid. Oh, cotton candy. Yeah, I want the cotton candy. Give me a quarter. Give me a quarter. Oh, okay, let's see. Open. Help me open it, human. Hurry. Help me open it, human. Yay, my gumbo. My gumbo. Thank you. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you. I need more. Give me another quarter.
I don't have another quarter. That's it for today.
Is there anybody else in this ice rink?
Nope.
Is there anybody here? Hello? Anybody? I see a woman. Excuse me. Excuse me, woman. Could I have a quarter? I need some money. I need a quarter. Andrew, see, I found a woman to give me a quarter. Yay, I got a quarter. Thank you. You better be careful, Andrew. I might go find someone else to live with. That lady was way nicer than you. She gave me another quarter. Now which one am I gonna get? I think... Rascal, because I'm an eater rascal. Yay, super yummy. I love strangers who are so much nicer than the stupid human who takes care of me. Now, with my candy in my belly, I am ready to go. Let's go. Whoa, outside. That was a good day of skating. Wow, this part of the ice rink is so pretty. Wow. So much nicer than the door I entered in. Look at the mountains. It's so nice out here.